DMFA Digital Marketing for Asia. My name is Joanna and I am a marketing manager working here at Sampanto. Is it only me, or can you also feel like the winter is coming?
Winter is coming.
The days are getting shorter and it's getting colder, and you may wonder, why can you already drink pumpkin spice latte even though we still have like a month to go until the Halloween comes around? Let me tell you, once the Halloween is over, if not earlier, we will start seeing those Christmas decorations everywhere. Well, the answer is that, marketers don't sleep and they don't wait around, and having a well-designed marketing calendar that hits all big occasions, holidays and events is the key to success. Digital campaigns that are planned in advance can significantly boost your sales during the busiest periods of the year. But can you use this same marketing calendar in two different countries where people have different cultural and religious background and where people live two different lifestyles? Well, the simple answer is no. Incorporating local traditions and organizing marketing activities around regional events is a great strategy when you're putting together a well-planned marketing calendar. In order to do so successfully, it is important to fully understand the local market and its uniqueness. In today's video, we will take a look at the final months of the year in Japan. With the temperatures going down and the days getting shorter, the period between October and December is the time for end-of-year reflections and the preparation for the New Year's Day, which is one of the biggest and most important days in the Japanese culture. Let's go! Let's start with October. Just like with pink cherry blossoms in spring, in autumn, Japan gets covered in beautiful red leaves. Momiji, which is the Japanese red leaves, are particularly spectacular during this season. People participate in momijigari, which is a red leaf hunt, which is a custom of admiring the surrounding scenery by taking walks among the autumn trees. This passing beauty of nature has been an inspiration for artists and poets for centuries. It also attracts a lot of tourists. We are recording this video in the middle of September. There is still some traveling restrictions in Japan, but we are hoping that by the time this video is out, all of the travel restrictions are gone. So hopefully, during this October, foreign tourists will be able to freely go to Japan and enjoy the beautiful scenery of the Momiji. There has actually been some updates about this situation. On September 23rd, the Japanese government announced that it will now allow visa-free independent tourism and abolish its daily arrival cap as of October 11th. They also said that they will launch a nationwide travel discount program, which until now had been shelved due to the spread of COVID-19 infections. There is also a sports day celebrated in October. It usually falls on the second Monday of October, and it is a Japanese national holiday. It was first observed in 1966. It was marking the opening day of the Tokyo Olympics from 1964, which was 2 years earlier. It promotes exercise and just healthy lifestyle. Despite it being a national holiday, many schools and organizations decide to hold sport-related events throughout the day. During this time, sports equipment, gym memberships, and healthy foods can see a rise in popularity. October is also a wedding season in Japan, so many couples decide to get married during this time because the rainy season is over and it's also not crazy hot, so it is just a perfect time to say yes among the beauty of red leaves, and it can feel truly magical. Wedding venues, bridal stores, and food vendors can expect an increased amount of traffic throughout the whole month until the middle of November.
Are you feeling spooky yet?
Just like in many countries around the world, Japanese people do celebrate Halloween. However, rather than the traditional American trick or treating, people dress up and go to the streets to have a party. Street parties. Wow. Nice. Manga and anime characters, monsters, or TV and movie heroes are usually among the most popular costumes. Halloween-themed costumes, makeup, or accessories can be seen in stores like Daiso or Don Quixote. I love Don Quixote. It's Don. Donkey.
Yeah.
A lot of cafes and restaurants launches a special Halloween-themed
Spooky
menu. During November, people celebrate a very special day, Shichigo-san, which means 753. It is a day when parents celebrate their children and they are grateful for their growth and wishing them good luck for the future. It is considered to be a rite of passage, and it's usually for 3 and 7-year-old girls as well as 3 and 5-year-old boys. During this time, families dress up in traditional clothing and visit local Shinto shrines. So kimono shops and rentals, as well as accessories and hair salons, can expect to be busy during that time. With winter just around the corner, people start to gear up for the colder months. The newest winter fashion trends and clothing is what people are going to be looking for, especially coats. In contrast to the extremely humid rainy season, Japanese winters are quite dry, so a lot of people also invest in humidifiers, like air humidifiers. They are placing it around bedrooms and living areas around the house. And of course, we cannot forget about Black Friday and Cyber Monday, when in Japan as well as all around the world, brands and companies organize massive discounts and promotions, and it is one of the busiest times for the retail and e-commerce industries in Japan. The beginning of December means it is time for the Christmas preparations. Just like Halloween, although Christmas is not a traditional Japanese holiday, people still do celebrate it somehow due to the American influences. Christmas sales are a very common occurrence, and a lot of brands organize special Christmas seasonal promotions just in time for that end of year bonus. Christmas markets, red and green decorations, and Santa Claus with his reindeers are now a part of the Japanese culture. There is also a lot of winter light festivals, which are also very popular in Japan, with illuminating installations spread throughout the country. One of the very popular activities to do during the Christmas season is to visit Tokyo Disneyland and see the Christmas parade and eat a strawberry shortcake. And yes, the rumors are true. Japanese people eat KFC for Christmas dinner. According to the brand, KFC earned a whopping $63 million between the 20th and 25th December in 2018. This is due to the brilliant and now legendary marketing campaign by Takeshi Okawara, which was called Kentucky for Christmas. Once the Christmas is over, the nation starts getting ready for the New Year's Day, which is one of the most important holidays in Japan. This is time people, I think in contrary to let's say the UK or the US, where we usually spend Christmas with our family and New Year's with our friends. In Japan, is the other way around. People would go out with friends during Christmas, but then travel back home to their hometowns during the New Year's to spend this time with their family. There is a lot of preparation that has to be done in order to be able to walk into the new year in the best way possible. Household deep cleaning, big grocery shopping on the New Year's Eve, meal preparation, and setting up traditional decorations around the entrance are just a few examples of things that have to be done in preparation for the big day. Osechi ryori is a traditional meal eaten on the New Year's Day, and it consists of assortment of little dishes, and each dish has a symbolic meaning. For example, one dish can mean health, and one dish can mean money and love and stuff like this. So you have to eat loads of little dishes to have a prosperous New Year. Let's not forget about the Bonenkai, which is the end of year drinking parties. In literal translation, Bonenkai means forget the year gathering. They are usually held in the second half of December among friends and work colleagues. It is a great way and great time to celebrate hard work, and it is a form of the Japanese nominication. It is a part of the Japanese business culture that combines drinking and communication while drinking. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that now you can understand how important it is to include and incorporate those very unique local traditions into the marketing calendars in each country you're trying to do the marketing campaigns at. Was there anything surprising for you? For example, the fact that Japanese people do eat KFC during Christmas. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to our DMFA channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And yeah, that's it for today. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you again very, very soon in the next video. Bye!